The best-selling Faucet water filter isn't always the one that actually works best for your home. A lot of people grab the first shiny one with a high rating, but when you dig deeper, the real differences show up in what they filter, how long they last, and whether they even fit your sink. Today, we're cutting through the noise. Product number 1, Waterdrop PUR Replacement Filters. Let's start with these Waterdrop replacement filters designed for PUR faucet systems. At $28.29 for a 6-pack, they're a budget-friendly way to keep your existing PUR system running without buying a whole new unit. What caught my eye is that they're NSF certified to reduce chlorine, taste, and odor, plus they're made with lead-free materials. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These filters use activated carbon block technology, which is better at trapping contaminants than loose carbon. They're tested against NSF ANSI standards 42 and 372, meaning they actually reduce what they claim and they're safe to touch. Each filter lasts about 3 months, so 6 will cover you for 18 months. Now some people complained about reduced water flow after a few weeks. Here's the thing though, this happens with most carbon filters over time as they fill up. It's normal, and swapping in a fresh one brings the pressure right back. The bigger issue, these won't work if you don't already have a PUR Advanced or Advanced Plus system. So if you're starting from scratch, this isn't your solution. This is perfect for you if you've already invested in a PUR faucet filter and want cheaper, certified replacements. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete system or need to remove heavy metals like lead. This mainly handles chlorine and taste. For the price, it's solid value if you're in the PUR ecosystem. Product number 2, Waterdrop 10 UA Undersink Filter. Now, if replacing filters every few months sounds like a hassle, this Waterdrop 10 UA Undersink system takes a completely different approach. At $53.29, it's a step up in price but offers way more coverage, filtering up to 11,000 gallons over 12 months. It connects directly to your cold water line and sits neatly under the sink, so your countertop stays clean. If you want long-term, low-maintenance filtration that handles more than just taste, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It reduces PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, lead, and chlorine, stuff that faucet-mounted filters often miss. The twist-and-lock design means installation takes about 3 minutes with no tools, and replacement filters cost under $26, saving you over 50% compared to name brands. Plus, the upgraded filtration area gives 20x more surface for trapping gunk, which means fewer clogs and better flow over time. Now, some people complained about compatibility issues with certain faucet thread sizes. Here's the thing though, Waterdrop includes a 3/8 to 1/2 converter, and they offer support if you need a female threaded connector. Just double check your setup before buying. Also, it only works with cold water lines, so you can't connect it to a hot water tap. This is perfect for you if you want powerful, whole-house style filtration without remodeling. Skip this one if you rent and can't drill into cabinets, or if you need instant hot filtered water. For the capacity and contaminant removal, it's one of the best values under $60. Product number 3, Brita Faucet Mount System. Alright, that was a solid undersink option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for renters or small spaces, the Brita Faucet Mount in Chrome. At $41.63, it's mid-range, easy to install, and gives you instant filtered water without touching your plumbing. If you want something simple, stylish, and removable, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It reduces 99% of lead, chlorine, asbestos, and benzene, common concerns in older homes. The filter lasts 4 months and handles 100 gallons, which is decent for a faucet mount. It installs in minutes with no tools and fits most standard faucets. The status indicator tells you when to swap the filter, so you're never guessing. Plus, it's compact and comes in chrome or white, so it doesn't scream appliance on your sink. Now some people complained about it not fitting pull-out or handheld faucets. Here's the thing though, that's clearly stated in the specs. If you have a standard fixed faucet, it works great, but if yours has a flexible head, you'll need an adapter or a different model. Also, the plastic body feels a bit lightweight compared to metal systems. This is perfect for you if you rent, move often, or want a no-commitment filter that looks clean. Skip this one if you have a modern pull-out faucet or need to filter large volumes daily. For the ease and reliability, it's a smart pick for light to moderate use. Product number 4, PUR Plus Vertical Faucet Filter. Now, if you like the Brita but want stronger certification and a vertical design, the PUR Plus Vertical model steps up. At $38.02, it's slightly cheaper and WQA certified to reduce lead and microplastics, something Brita doesn't emphasize as much. It also uses a 3-in-1 filter with mineral enhancement, so your water tastes crisp, not flat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's one of the few faucet filters certified by both NSF and WQA to reduce 70 contaminants, including lead and microplastics. The filter lasts 3 months or 100 gallons, and the built-in change light takes the guesswork out of replacements. Installation is tool-free, and it fits most external aerator faucets. Plus, the vertical design saves space if your sink area is tight. Now, some people complained about the light not working or resetting properly. Here's the thing though, it's a minor annoyance, not a deal breaker. You can still track usage by date or gallon count. Also, like most faucet filters, it won't work with pull-out heads unless you use an adapter. This is perfect for you if you're concerned about lead or microplastics and want strong third-party validation. Skip this one if you need to filter over 100 gallons fast or want a horizontal mount for more clearance. For peace of mind and taste, it's a top-tier faucet option. Product number 5, PUR Plus Horizontal Faucet Filter. Finally, if the vertical model looked good but you need more clearance below the faucet, the PUR Plus horizontal version lays flat and gives you that extra space. At $42.27, it's nearly identical in performance. Same 3-in-1 filtration, same 100-gallon capacity, same WQA and NSF certifications for lead and microplastics. If you want maximum compatibility and clean filtration without the bulk, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It reduces 70 harmful substances, including lead, chlorine, and microplastics, using the same advanced filter as the vertical model. The on-off lever lets you switch between filtered and unfiltered water instantly, great for washing veggies or filling a pot. It's also compatible with most external aerator faucets. Now, some people complained about leaks around the adapter. Here's the thing though, this usually happens if the adapter isn't tightened properly or doesn't match your faucet thread. Using the included Teflon tape and double-checking the fit fixes most issues. Also, the plastic build won't win any durability awards, but it's functional for daily use. This is perfect for you if you have a deep sink or limited vertical space and want certified lead reduction. Skip this one if you have an internal aerator or need to filter more than 100 gallons between changes. For balanced performance and smart design, it's a strong finish to our list. So which one's best? If you already have a PUR system, go with the water drop replacements. For long-term heavy-duty filtering, the water drop 10 UA undersink unit wins. Need something easy and removable? Brita's a safe bet. Want certified lead and microplastic reduction? Either PUR model works, just pick vertical or horizontal based on your sink space. No single filter is perfect for everyone, but one of these will fit your home and your concerns.